Hey guys, welcome to this radio video. Quick little video showing you kind of a snow ice storm here in Montreal while I'm listening to Radio Romania. So this is to show you my antennas. I don't know if you see, that's my vertical for VHF, UHF with some snow on it. But the one that's pretty amazing is my long wire that's going down. As you can see, very heavy with snow. And this is my shortwave long wire, extremely heavy. So this is what it looks like tonight here in Montreal. Show you a little bit around. You can see the snow and the trees, just incredible. This is winter in Canada. And the wind that's blowing sometimes and moving the wire, so it's got to be attached quite well so it doesn't fall. Series 3s.